Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to walk through the 2020 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck outboard. The outside hull color is the Horizon Blue, powered by a white Mercury 300 Verado DTS engine. This does have the easy accessible to pull the engine cowling up, oil fill, oil check. Here on the back of the swim platform we did add the SeaDek to it. Flip-flop seating with this new stone interior. Does have the sliding function which opens up the back of the boat for entertaining while you're at the islands. As we come in the walk-through transom, you'll see a Fusion stereo remote, your battery on-off switch with your two main breakers. This does have a battery charger system, mount for your table, and also plenty of storage, and also the table legs inside here as well. This tower is integrated with the bimini top. It does easily lower and raise. As we come through here, flip-flop seating on the port side. Here at the helm, you'll see a flip-up bolster here for this bench seat. Very large 12-inch Simrad digital dash, integrated Fusion stereo with Bluetooth, digital throttle shift. Here you'll find a storage area, restroom, and also a place to lay down, which is very spacious. We'll stop glove box storage. The new entryway is here on the port side. Gives you a block off door. You can also close the windshield. And you will see very spacious seating up in the bow area. It does have a beach boarding ladder and a place to put your anchor right underneath that. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 250 Sun Deck outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.